SLEMCO is a member-owned cooperative. We serve about 120,000 members. We are a power distribution company who purchases power from a generator. We then distribute it over to our customers at an affordable price. Some of the networking connectivity issues that we were facing before is previously our communications were on 900 meg radios and microwave systems. That led to a lot of connectivity troubles depending on weather, climate.
We first engaged with Sean and team at SLEMCO through our partnership with AT&T, helping him source and provision routers for their substations, making sure that we understood their requirements, what type of environment these units would be deployed in, and then we started going to work on that design and configuration for him. We knew that these were going to be in a harsh environment, so we immediately looked toward a more ruggedized product line.
When connection failed, we had to take one of our employees, send them out to the location to assist Sean and their team to see where is the failure at. Is it power? Is it radio signal issue? Is it anything other than elements in the weather? And then from there, in-house, we don't have any tower climbers. So all of these old radios are all stationed 300 and 400 feet up on a tower. So then we have to then wait and contact tower climbers to contract them out obviously in the middle of a storm or an outage situation. They may not be available for 3-4 days at a time.
In this case, we wanted to use this solution as a primary connectivity option to make sure that they had access to view connectivity out in the field and be able to remotely access and manage those endpoints.
The Secure Connect solution provided us an ability to have a full topology scope on our network connectivity that would eliminate the previous hub and spoke that we had before. With the previous solution, if we had a site that would go down, such as a master site, any spoke that was connected to that master site prior would also technically in return lose connection because of the master site being down. So upon evaluating the Ericsson line, we saw that we needed something that can handle more enterprise grade level connectivity. So that's what led us originally into the E3000 series. The E3000 was an enterprise graded. It had the tunnel solutions and the protocols that we needed. It can do all of the business routing that was also needed for us as well. And it fit every box that we needed for a solution.
Understanding that some of these devices, yes, they may be sheltered inside a substation, others could be out in a more cabinet style unit out in the field, right? So being able to withstand the extreme temperature differences that we see here in Louisiana, from extreme heat, high humidity, having a device that could handle that, doesn't need any sort of additional heat sinks or cooling environments. And then again, pairing that with the right antenna solution is really the winning combination that we want to see to be able to ensure a reliable, stable connection.
We wanted something that's going to have the modern day protocols, of course, something that's going to have modern connectivity, be able to provide some kind of form of multi-factor authentication, something that's integratable, log sources, something that can give us everything that we need today in order to be safe and secure.
So the security requirements outlined for this one were third-party vendor access into the network, which anytime you want to do that, very much you want to make sure you have a very secure path in and out of your network, especially for SCADA and utilities nowadays. So Secure Connect at its base level is what we call zero trust. So whenever you're standing up a Secure Connect network, everything inherently is disallowed. So what this allows you to do is go in and actually say, okay, I want this communication from site to site to be allowed in this scenario, and anything else is going to be disallowed. So that gives you greater control over your network from just a ground up solution. And more control in this case is more secure.
The benefits that we've experienced from this product since deployment has been, I would say first and foremost has been uptime. We've been able to achieve at least a 98.9% uptime in our connectivity. Now we have the ability to respond remotely. We also have sites deployed around that we can reach from being at any substation. So it allows us to be able to get a better picture before having to go out to the site.
We're basically limitless on what we can do now compared to where we were in the past.